Stationery Objects. Book. Book. We read through books. Pencil. Pencil. We write with a pencil. Eraser. Eraser. We erase our mistakes with an eraser. Pen. Pen. We write with a pen. Notebook. Notebook. We write in a notebook. Ruler. Ruler. We draw straight lines with a ruler. School bag. School bag. We carry our books in the school bag. Scissors. Scissors. We cut paper with the help of scissors. Sharpener. Sharpener. We cut our pencil with the sharpener. Pencil box. Pencil box. We keep stationery in a pencil box. Marker. Marker. We write on the board with a marker. Stapler. Stapler. We staple papers with the help of stapler. Paper clips. Paper clips. We use the paper clips to hold papers together. Glue bottle. Glue bottle. We paste papers with the help of glue. Highlighter. Highlighter. We highlight important words in our book. Sticky notes. Sticky notes. We write important things on the sticky notes for reminders. Drawing book. Drawing book. We draw different pictures in the drawing book. Crayons. Crayons. We color with crayons. Sketch pens. Sketch pens. We draw with sketch pens. File folder. File folder. We keep our important papers in the file folder. Glue stick. Glue stick. We stick papers with the help of glue stick. Tape. Tape. We stick things with the help of tape. Compass. Compass. We can draw circles with the help of compass. Protractor. Protractor. We measure angles with the help of protractors. Now it's revision time. Book. Pencil. Eraser. Pen. Notebook. School bag. Scissors. Sharpener. Pencil box. Marker. Stapler. Paper clips. Glue bottle. Highlighter. Drawing book. Crayons. Sketch pens. Glue stick. Sticky notes. file folder, tape, compass, protector. Great job, kiddos! Now you know about different stationery objects and their uses. See you in the next learning video. Till then, bye bye.